Okay, guys, another day, another tip. I'm going to go through. I am doing some work at the moment, so we will do a live function test. Um, I'm going to show you how to get Claude 3.5 Sonic um, for free in VS Code. So the first thing you need to do is install the extension RuCode. If you go over to the marketplace, we should see it here. Let's type it in. Ru code. There it is, previously recline. Click that, install it. I've already got it set. Whilst you're in here, you'll get a start task sort of window. It looks more like that when you join. Click the settings, go to API provider, and you have all of these options here to put in AIs of your choice. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to show you how to get Claude 3.5 Sonic for free. You choose the experimental VS Code LM API, and what this does is it connects into Copilot and gives you a certain allowance every day to use Claude 3.5 Sonic, which is arguably one of the better coding agents out there, maybe the best. Still, we'll see. Um, so at the moment, I do have a little challenge. I'm writing test scripts for testing NFT various Solidity contracts, and I'm sort of using Gemini here as well. I've got a little workstation set up in Google AI Studios with Gemini 2.0 Pro experimental, and I'm using this as an auditor, so to speak, just verifying contracts as we go through, and they keep making recommendations of improvement, and then you can try this out on your local environment and such. So I've just copied a treasury script for a treasury wallet. It handles money coming in, locks it for set periods, and then releases it back out to the people that deposited. Um, and so I basically just want to check that the contracts correlate. So, can you please confirm correlation in the treasury test.js and this code below. Update any missing info. So I typed in a very basic, it's a pretty easy prompt, but you could go into, if it's a task, multi-story, multitask prompt, etc. There, and off it goes. It's connected via API. It will read the code that I've just given it, and then it will go find it in our files, this one here. And if there's any differences, missed out any key parameters, it will just add it. It's not as a reasoning model, so to speak. Claude 3.5. It has reasoning, but doesn't have thinking as such, in my understanding. In this scenario, they both correlate, and it was done. But you could, another handy thing. I've got documentation always on the go, so I just say update documents with our current changes, give summary as to why. Sorry. There. And then it will just go off and update my document, so to speak. But look at it. This is a script that it's already completed with me. With some prompting and a couple of little edits here and there. Um, it's an extremely useful tool. So there you go. I'll just keep the video going while it's gonna. There you go. Off it goes. I mean, who wants to be writing up documentation, guys? I mean, and scripts and all these things that I find particularly boring when you're coding. So if you've got 10 document files to do, this will update it in so many seconds for free.